How to install Directv Stream on Vizio Smart TV. So if you head over directly to the owner's manual of Vizio, unfortunately Directv Stream is not compatible or not available to stream using your Vizio Smart TV. Now, alternatively, what you can do on your end is just to head over and use any gadgets or devices, stream devices such as smart Roku stick, Fire Stick, or Apple TV subscription. By there, just plug it in and you should be able to download DirectTV from those devices. So that's the last resort that you can do for you to be able to download and install DirectTV Stream using your Vizio Smart TV.